In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the file is corrupted zip error. If you've ever tried to open a zip file and been hit with a file is corrupted message, don't worry. This usually points to a damaged or incomplete download, and there are a couple of straightforward ways to fix it. We'll walk through re-downloading the archive, using 7-zip to open it, and then running a quick integrity check inside 7-zip to confirm everything is in good shape. First, start fresh by re-downloading the zip file. Corruption often happens when a download gets interrupted, even for a moment. Delete the old copy to avoid confusion, then download the file again from the original source. Use a stable, reliable internet connection and give the download time to complete fully before opening it. If the website lists a file size, make sure your downloaded file matches that size. A smaller file almost always means it didn't finish properly. Some providers include a checksum. If you see that, a matching checksum is a strong sign the file came down cleanly. Next, try opening the zip with 7-zip. Windows Explorer may flag a file as corrupted even when a more robust archiver can read it. If you don't already have 7-zip, download it from the official site and install it. Then, right-click the zip file and choose 7-zip, followed by Open Archive. You can also launch the 7-zip file manager and navigate to the file there. If 7-zip opens the archive and shows the contents, that's a good sign. Try extracting the files by clicking Extract, pick a destination folder, and let it run. If extraction completes without errors, you're done. Sometimes 7-zip can read past minor issues that stop other tools. Finally, use the test feature in 7-zip to check for errors. With the zip file highlighted in 7-zip, click the test button on the toolbar or press the T key. 7-zip will quickly scan the archive's headers and data and then report the result. If it says no errors, the file's structure is intact and you should be able to extract it normally. If you see messages like data error or headers error, that confirms the archive itself is damaged. In that case, repeat the re-download and test again. If errors persist after a clean re-download, the original zip on the server may be corrupted and you'll need a new copy from the source. That's it. Re-download, open with 7-zip, and test for errors. Follow these steps, and most zip corruption messages become quick, fixable hiccups.